Hi, Martha. Task 2, your travel guide. Okay, so a couple quick things to talk about for housekeeping. Um, Contact sheets. You need to set them up in a very specific way. 9 images per page. You have that. That's perfect. Or metadata. We're looking for some very specific required metadata, which I outline that in the homepage announcements under the contact sheet posting, which has a link to a video tutorial that I put together that walks you step by step through how to incorporate everything, every piece of required metadata to get a perfect contact sheet each and every time. We're looking for specifically file name and number, date, exposure, flash fire, did not fire, as well as exposure mode. The other thing to keep in mind is your background color. Keep that a neutral color. It's kind of a pinkish kind of taupe color here. Looking for like a basic white or gray. The reason behind that is the color here can influence the eye's perception of what the color is actually like in the image. Okay, so let's talk about your images. So in terms of transportation, yeah, that absolutely works. So I think the big thing for me is a lot of the images are shot very far away. Get close up, fill the frame. For example, the airplane. You've got some gorgeous details going on. I bet you we could zoom in like the propeller. If we were to shoot straight on like this one, but just fill the frame with like just what's going on in here. That would be amazing. Your exposures here, they're backlit. You're shooting. Um, Looks like the sun is probably over on this side and back of the train, so then the actual train cars themselves are backlit and just kind of become this black shape. Giving it a little bit more exposure will open up the shadows and allow us to see the detail in there. I did like the one with the bench here, the person kind of looking off with the gorgeous trees hanging over it. Um, the service pump, yeah, I still see them a lot. I know there's certain places, I believe it's in New Jersey, that you actually can't pump the gas yourself, or maybe you can now, but the last time I was there, you weren't able to. And just like get closer, like the boats, the dock, fantastic. But let's get a little bit closer and really fill the frame up a whole lot. Looks like some of them you're also shooting from the car. Please don't shoot from the car. Um, you have a really difficult time going through and composing an image when you're kind of traveling past it, or if you're shooting through a window or windshield. They have coatings on them that can influence the actual color. I really like the airplane here. I'm just a little careful of the rule of thirds. If you draw an X through the image, boom, the airplane is in the dead center, and your eye goes right to that and just stops. So if you were to do something and get that out of there, I'll give you a quick little example here of, maybe we do something like so, and now the airplane is on the 1/3 line going this way, so your eye starts there but kind of continues on through the branches, almost like it's following the airline's path, kind of going up, or maybe it's landing. But something like that is going to really help the viewer's eye go through the photograph. All right, also just remember, no flash pets or kids allowed in this class. But yeah, I would say if you have time to reshoot, I would definitely suggest doing some more images. If you have any questions in the meantime, please don't hesitate in shooting me an email.